fired!
October 10th, 2019, Redwood Valley, California. Dispatch receives a call about a drunk man wandering the streets, but when deputies arrive, the sidewalk is empty. No pedestrian in sight. The person they were looking for has vanished, replaced by a lone blue van and a driver who seems to be living in a completely different reality.
It's a blue van across from 7240 Yuba Drive. How you doing, man? What you up to, man?
Oh no, I'm sorry about that. Let me lower down the music. No, my car just died out. I don't know if it's not the gas or the battery.
Right here?
Yeah, and I'm kind of stuck without a phone, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so I was just kicking back, waiting until I see someone pass by so I could call
For sure. Got your ID on you, boss?
My ID? Yeah.
Mind if I check that out real quick?
Uh-huh.
Joseph Corral out of LA. Never met you before, man. You not from here?
Oh yeah, I am from here. I
You
thought
are?
This was LA.
You think this is LA?
Yeah. This is not LA?
This is not LA.
Oh, okay.
Will you speak with him for a second?
Claiming you are in Los Angeles while sitting 500 miles north is a massive red flag. This encounter just shifted from a simple welfare check to a serious investigation of a severely impaired subject.
What's going on, man?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. What are you doing over here?
Yeah, like I was telling your friend, my car battery died, and I have no gas, so I was just waiting so I could call someone.
You here seeing anybody or not?
No.
No probation pro or anything like that?
No.
You sure?
No.
No probation?
Yeah, you're in a really bad spot, dude. You're in a really bad spot.
Yeah, the car died out
Close in.
there, and then I had someone help me push it over here, so I was in a bad spot.
Gotcha.
Is that car turned off, boss? You mind taking the keys out for me real quick? You mind just taking the keys out? Thanks.
Taking the keys out of the ignition is a small but critical move. It effectively ends any chance of a high-speed escape before it even starts. The officers are slowly closing the exits, forcing this encounter into a controlled environment.
Thought there was a 647F dude walking by.
How'd you get to here?
Yeah, I had a woman help me push it over.
Push it like this?
Yeah.
Got it. I'll handle it.
My car's across.
Did you, is that his ID?
This is I ran him, but we're waiting on the return.
Oh, I see. So, where are you coming from? Where do you live, dude?
No, I'm coming from, I was just cruising around here.
Okay. Where do you live?
Where do I live?
Mm-hmm.
East LA.
What's that again?
East LA?
Okay. When did you get here?
2 days ago.
Are you visiting someone or?
Huh?
Are you visiting someone or?
Oh, no.
Okay. How much did you have to drink today? How much did you drink today?
Okay, just do what the do, man.
Yeah, well, how much did you drink?
Just do what the you gotta do.
Okay, so you didn't drink anything?
Man, no.
Alright, come outside the big man.
Once the command to step out is given, the nature of this stop changes instantly. The officers are now laser focused on the driver's response, knowing that any hesitation at this critical stage often serves as a prelude to a dangerous escalation.
Hey, don't reach, road, don't reach! Gun! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Gun! Gun! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! I see you! Hands up! Hands up! I got this! Hey, ma'am! Run! Ma'am, get back! She's injured. She's... is she okay? Get her! Oh, dude. Hey, get out of the van now! Get him out. There's someone injured back there. Back there. Get back! Get out, bud! What? Slowly! Slowly! Come out of the van! Yeah. Hey! Hey, boom, come on! Hey! Come on! Slowly! Hey! Don't reach for that gun! Reach! Slowly open the door! Do not reach for that gun! You will get shot!
Class 7-1. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Slowly! Come out the window! Come out the window! Come out the window now! Do not reach for that gun! You will be shot!
Keep coming
On
out.
the ground! On your face! Now!
Keep coming out.
Taser, taser, taser.
Get down.
Taser,
Get
taser,
down.
taser. Hit him! Hit him with the taser, bro.
Get on the ground.
Hit him! Hit him! Hit him!
Make sure nobody else is in that vehicle.
Clear that! Clear that!
You alright?
Yeah. Are you shot? Are you shot?
No, I'm not. Okay.
Where's that gun? You got 75. One detained. Are you hit, bud? Find that gun real quick, bud. Find that gun. You got 75. Start medical. Have him stage. That's confirmed. Central turns into Yuva. Taser deployed. Hey, you're bleeding, bud. Hey, get someone to put pressure on this. Where's that gun? Is it in there? Alright, get a towel or something. Someone get pressure on his head. We need pressure.
Do you have a medical kit?
I do.
Medical kit.
Right behind my passenger seat. Quick, quick, quick. Just locate the gun real quick. Don't touch anything else. Where are you shot, bud? We need to help you. Where are you shot? There's no one else in there, right?
No one else.
Okay. I'm gonna get medical coming, code 3, right here. You cut 75. You cut 75.
Yeah, that's good first.
You cut 75. We've got one guy in cuffs, gunshot wounds. We need medical, code 3.
Where is it at?
Right here.
Leave it where it is.
Vasquez, are you alright, bud?
Yeah, good.
We need that medical kit.
Yeah.
Sorry. Quick, quick, quick.
I'm working here. I don't know why I'm my key. Open that car.
Hey! I need you to check on those people. Please.
You got this?
Run, yes.
I have all those too.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not window. Go.
Check on the people. Make sure no one's shot over there. Make sure no one's shot. Run, run, run. Quick, quick, quick.
The medical kit.
Behind the passenger seat. Stay seated. Stay seated. You're shot, bud. Don't move.
You move. Here you go. Where's you shot at?
Joseph Corral survived the shooting, but now faces a laundry list of felonies, including assault with a firearm on a peace officer. The deputies were cleared of any wrongdoing. Under the Fourth Amendment and the Graham versus Connor standard, their use of force was objectively reasonable the moment Corral reached for that Desert Eagle. An officer doesn't have to wait for a suspect to fire when a lethal threat is imminent. This case proves there is no such thing as a routine call. Every second counts when lives are on the line. Was this justified in your eyes? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Blue Line Raw. Hit subscribe for more deep dives. Stay safe.